Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel, and in this video we will learn about the Power BI stacked bar chart. And these are the headings that we are going to cover in this video. First we will see what is the Power BI stacked bar chart, and then we will see how to create a stacked bar chart in Power BI report. So let's begin with the what is the Power BI stacked bar chart. The Power BI stacked bar chart is used to compare multiple values against a single measure. In the Power BI stack bar chart, the y-axis represents the data value and the x-axis represents the axis value. Now we will see how to create a stack bar chart in Power BI report. Log into the Power BI desktop and choose the data source. Using the get data, load the data source that you want to load it into the Power BI desktop. In this case, I have already loaded the sales table data. We can also connect data from different data sources. When you click on the get data option, you can see these are the different data sources that are presented. You can choose any of the data source and you can load the data into the Power BI desktop. It takes few minutes to load data into the Power BI desktop. Once the data has been loaded, in the data view you can see that the data has been loaded. After that, under the visualization tab, here you can see the stack bar chart presented. Select that stack bar chart visual. You can see that it has been added into the Power BI report, and this is the fields that we can view the report. In this example, I am going to view the report sales by the customer location. So in the y-axis, drag and drop the customer location, and in the x-axis, drag and drop the sales field. Here you can see the stack bar chart displays the sales value based on the customer location. This is how we can add the stack bar chart in Power BI. In addition, we will also cover Power BI stack bar chart with multiple values. Now I will show you how to display multiple values in the stack bar chart. Here you can see in the previous example we have displayed the sales value by customer location. Now we will display the stack bar chart with the sales value by customer location and the product name. In that case, we can add multiple values in the y-axis field. Here simply drag and drop the product name, and this is the customer location is the first level. When you click on the drill down option or next level in the hierarchy, here you can see it displays the sales value by product name. Now simply select expand all down one level in the hierarchy. In that case, we can view the Power BI stack bar chart report by the sales value by customer location and the product name. When you click on this, here you can see the stack bar chart displays the sales by the customer location and product name. When you hover over the product, here you can see the customer location is California and the product name is TV, and it displays the sales value. Using the drill down feature, we can display the multiple values in the Power BI report using the stack bar chart. With this, we came to the end of this video where we have learned what is Power BI stack bar chart, how to create a stack bar chart and add it in the Power BI report, and how we can display the stack bar chart with multiple values. I hope you get an idea how to create and add the stack bar chart into the Power BI report. Thanks for watching this video, and these are the free video tutorials that are presented in our YouTube channel. Please check it out, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.